Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Mo from Wi-Fi Cash Academy, and today I'm going to be reviewing a ClickBank product called Commission Hero. Now, Commission Hero has been out for some time now, but it's been updated, and that's why they're having a new launch for 2020. The way they teach in Commission Hero is a little unique, as they follow a simple 3-step method which involves you running Facebook ads to a landing page and then to a high converting affiliate offer from ClickBank. So as I said before, Commission Hero has been around for a while now, and it's got a solid reputation for being a quality course that gets you results. I believe they have around 2,400 students enrolled at the moment, so it's very popular. You may have gotten an email about the launch, or maybe you saw an ad for it online. Whatever the case, I'll hopefully be able to give you a little more information and insight about the course. So let's start off by asking, who is the course creator? Well, his name is Robby Blanchard, and at the time of making this video, he is the #1 ClickBank affiliate in the world. Now, let me just give you a little bit of perspective. ClickBank has been around for a long time and is known as the granddaddy of affiliate networks in this industry. Here are some staggering numbers about the ClickBank marketplace. They have over 200 million customers spread across 190 countries. They are the 87th largest internet retailer in North America. They have 276 categories and 21,562 product listings. They also have 6 million entrepreneurs on the platform and over $200 million in annual sales. Now, out of all of those 6 million entrepreneurs, Robby is the #1 affiliate marketer in terms of sales and volume. So that's a very impressive thing to accomplish. So in terms of actually getting the results, he is very qualified. And as you see in his 1000-day blueprint, he has helped many people with this simple system of affiliate marketing to help them get to $1,000 days and just crush it in the industry. Now, how does he do it? Well, in his course, he teaches his 3-step method of getting to $1,000 a day. How many ClickBank methods are there online? Many. And I have a few good ones too. But in the course, Robby concentrates on running Facebook ads with images to a landing page, then to the affiliate product. So in the course, you're learning Facebook ads exclusively as a traffic method. Now, some might say that it should teach you more ways to drive traffic, but I actually believe that concentrating on one traffic platform and absolutely dominating it is far more effective than trying to learn and run ads on 5 different platforms and actually failing to even make a sale, as you do not fully understand any of them properly. I've seen this in other courses where they give you a dozen different methods to promote products, and you're left at the end feeling lost and not very knowledgeable in anything. It sort of brings to mind the phrase, jack of all trades, master of none. So concentrating solely on one method and traffic source is a very intelligent way of doing things, and it's working for Robby and many other students too. Facebook is a vast platform, and after spending thousands of dollars on Facebook ads, I can say it's the fastest way to generate leads and sales hands down. It does have a learning curve, but having a dedicated course like Commission Hero to guide you through it really boosts your chances of success. So some of the things that are covered in the course include a section on how to get started, breaking down affiliate marketing, ad accounts, funnels, and so on. Next, it's choosing the right offers on ClickBank and other affiliate networks, finding your ad image, setting up landing pages, setting up your Facebook profile and your Facebook page, setting up your Facebook pixel, scaling your ads, ninja tactics, and of course your bonuses. So some of the bonuses were $1 million landing pages, swipes. You have a lot of bonuses about mindset. He's giving away his images, and also one of the most important things is that he's giving away his contacts. So as he's been in the industry for such a long time and he's such a high flyer in affiliate marketing, he'll be able to leverage his contacts so that you can get better affiliate deals for different products. So when is this product launching? On the 23rd of March, it will be the pre-launch where you'll be able to get access to the free $1,000 a day blueprint, where you will learn the 3-step method and be able to see Robby's success story and other stories too. So this will be available on the 23rd of March, and I'll be linking it down below. The 30th will be the live free training and Q&A, where you'll be able to learn more about how to promote ClickBank products using the 3-step method and how he's able to get all of his success, and also about some of his students and how they're crushing it too. That will be on the 30th of March. That's the product launch, and if you decide to purchase the course, then I have put together some bonuses especially for you that will help you enhance your experience in the course and allow you to get a head start on everyone else. So check out the link in the description below, and I'll show you a little bit more about what you'll get. So even though the course concentrates on Facebook ads, once you become comfortable and mastered the Facebook ads platform, it would be good to branch out into other traffic methods. So the first bonus is a case study course which walks you through how to run Bing ads step by step, which is very useful as Bing ads are very underrated but have a great return. The second bonus is a course on how to effectively utilize blogging for affiliate marketing and includes some really great traffic methods. The third is a course on how to leverage and grow a YouTube channel to drive traffic to your affiliate offers, which is a really great method and one of my favorite traffic sources. The fourth bonus is a case study of how super affiliate Brandon Mace generated $2,000 in 20 minutes using free organic traffic utilizing Facebook groups. And last but not least, for the fifth bonus, I've included this awesome ebook with pages and pages of free traffic methods that will allow you to generate hundreds of leads per day. And if you are interested in purchasing Commission Hero and getting my bonuses alongside that, then make sure you go to the first link in the description and sign up to the launch list. And when it's the 23rd of March, I'll be sending you out a link to the free $1,000 a day blueprint and where you can sign up for your live training with Robby and the actual course launch date. So if you do purchase through us, I'll really appreciate that and you'll get tons of value too. So if you do decide to get Commission Hero through us, send me an email or message me on Facebook or Instagram and I'll get your bonuses to you. So in conclusion, I do feel that Commission Hero is an amazing product, especially for people that are new to the affiliate marketing world and want a simple step-by-step guide on how to get started and to scale with Facebook ads. And I think it's a great opportunity and I love the simplicity of it and the straightforwardness that you just concentrate on one traffic method and just go all in. So thank you very much for watching my review. All of the links are in the description below. Sign up for the launch list. I'll send you your $1,000 a day blueprint on the 23rd of March and I'll let you know where you can sign up for the live training with Robby and I'll see you in the next video.